Hello, in this video I have two objectives. Number one, I want to make a review of how Scribie works, and number two, I'm also going to be showing you how much you can earn on a monthly basis on Scribie as an online transcriber. So let's go. All you need to do is to go over to your browser and type in scribie.com. I'm going to leave this link on my description box below, so that when you just click on this link, it will take you to this page. And as you can see from this page, we have introduction, guidelines, sample, terms, facts, and practice. So I'm just going to run you through how Scribie transcription, audio transcription company function. I'm going to be explaining to you everything in details from their website. As you can see, Scribie is a home-based job. It is a work at your convenience. It pays $5 to $25 per audio hour per rate using the United States dollar. It usually gives files of less than 10 minutes for you to transcribe. It has 2 hours tag for each file, which means that you have only 2 hours in order to translate a file and submit it back to them. It has a free automated transcript to save around 60% of typing effort, which means that the work that you are supposed to do on Scribie is already done. What Scribie does is that it takes a file and it auto-transcribe it, and all you need to do is just to come on, correct the English, correct the spellings, and make it to look perfect, so that it can save 60% of typing effort. So Scribie.com is a transcription company that is not only based on typing, it's based on correcting a transcribed file, a transcribed audio file, or a transcribed video file. You get rewarded for good performance by becoming a reviewer, a proofreader, or a QC. You get monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. There is no obligations, no monthly commitment or withdrawal limit, meaning that even if you have just $10, you can go ahead and withdraw it. There is no minimum limit to withdrawal to the money that you have made on this platform. They say we don't assign files. You get to preview and choose the files to work on. So they don't force a file on you to work on it, but you choose the type of file that you want to work on. Scribie.com offers a great opportunity to increase your income by transcribing audio files for them. The work involves listening to the audio files and typing it as accurately as possible. You just need to go through a test process and get certified as a transcriber. Once certified, you will be paid for the files you transcribe on an audio hour basis. For each submission, your Scribie.com account will be credited with the appropriate dollar amount. Your earnings will accumulate and you can transfer it to your PayPal account anytime. From PayPal, the funds can be transferred to your bank account. There are no monthly commitment or minimum withdrawal limit. Payments are made once a day. As I earlier explained, that you can withdraw even $5, even $10. There is no minimum amount. If you are an experienced transcriber and have spare time, then Scribie.com can help you to fill that up. If you are starting your career as a transcriptionist, Then you can gain valuable experience and hone your skill on Scribie.com. What are the requirements in order to work with Scribie.com? You need to have good comprehension of English. You need to have the ability to interpret conversation. You need to have the ability to apply context and identify mistakes. You need to have a verified PayPal account, which is linked to a bank account or a credit card. Guys, I have created a video on how to create a PayPal account, how to create a verified PayPal account, and I've also created another video in which you can link your PayPal account to your credit card or to your bank card. So make sure you check these videos on the description box of this video below. I'm going to leave the links of those videos below so that when you click on it, you can equally create your own verified PayPal account and link it to your bank account or credit card. Another requirement to work on this platform is that you need a laptop, a desktop computer, and an internet connection. You equally need headphones or a handset, and you need the latest version of Firefox, Chrome, or Safari web browser. Additionally, the core skill we look for is your ability to correct manual automated transcript, meaning that most of the work that is on this platform is audio that has already been transcribed but only need to be corrected and not to be typed. They say Scribie will not be a good fit if you are looking for typing only jobs. Please note that we cannot process PayPal account from residents of California, US. So if you are in this location, just know that your PayPal account cannot be processed on this platform. Concerning verified PayPal account, they say we send payments via PayPal and we require a verified payment account in order to be eligible for this program. It is a necessary requirement and cannot be relaxed. In order to verify your PayPal account, it has to be linked to a bank account or to a credit card, depending on your country. You can click on PayPal Facts for the exact process, but I've already created a video on that. You can just click on that video and do the same and create yours. If you do not have a PayPal account already, then you can sign up for one and get it verified before taking the test. It is free to sign up for PayPal. So meaning that if you don't have a PayPal account, you can't be able to sign up with Scribie.com. So if you don't have yet, all is that you need to pause this video at this stage. Go ahead and create a PayPal account, then you come and continue. They say, how does the transcription process goes with Scribie.com? Our transcription process consists of the following steps: file splitting, raw transcription, review, proofreading, quality check. So these are the 5 processes that a file goes through before the file become a finished product. So you can see file splitting is the first step, in which an audio file is split at 6 minutes intervals. With raw transcription, in this step, the audio for each part file is played back and transcribed as accurately and cleanly as possible. With the review, they say during review, the raw transcript is checked for correctness and quality. The audio file is played back again and each transcribed word is checked against the audio. Then with proofreading, they say in this step, All part files are collected together and the combined transcript is checked against the audio once more. They say with the quality check, which is the last process, they say in the last step, the transcript is quality check and either delivered to the customer or proofread. The freelance transcriber program is applicable at step 2, 3, 4, and 5, namely raw transcription, review, proofreading, and quality check. As a certified transcriber, you can log into your account anytime, select a file for transcription, review or proofreading, and submit them. The earnings will be credited to your account when your file completes the next step. You can also preview any file to check the quality and accent before you select. Concerning the payment, how is payment being done on Scribie.com? They say they pay $5 to $25 per audio hour. They say we pay by audio hour and not the actual time spent working on it. The payment for 6-minute file therefore can vary from $0.5 to $2.50. The earnings are credited to your Scribie.com account once your submission is reviewed and it accumulates there. It can be withdrawn to your PayPal account anytime. You have to submit a withdrawal request for that. There is no minimum withdrawal limit. The funds will be sent to your PayPal account in 1 business day. Concerning bonuses, they say they pay $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. So you can read that in your spare time. Concerning referral and affiliate, they say you can increase your earnings further by referring other transcribers or customers to us, and we pay a 5% commission, affiliate commission to you for each transcript order placed by a referral customer. For referred transcribers, we will pay 2.5 referral commission on their direct earning. So this is a summary of how Scribie.com functions. So you can equally go up to the top of the page. You click on the guidelines. You read some of the guidelines that govern this platform, and it says do not violate these rules. It has been highlighted in red. You can also click on the sample to see how transcription is being done on this platform. You can equally check on the terms and conditions of Scribie.com. You can check on the facts, like if there is any doubt of anything that you want to ask, you can come on this section. You see similar questions, and when you click on it, you get an answer. Concerning PayPal, you can ask a question concerning PayPal. Concerning the transcription test, you can equally click any of these links and you get an answer to your question. And I'm just going to illustrate to you how much this platform usually pay on a monthly basis. As you can see, they say assignment type and potential monthly earning. They say with only transcription you can make $200 to $300 on a monthly basis. With transcription and review, you can make $300 to $500 on a monthly basis. With transcription, review, and proofreading, you can make $500 to $700 on a monthly basis. With transcription, review, and proofreading and quality check, you can make $700 to $1,000 or $1,200 on a monthly basis. And again, remember, if you don't have a PayPal account, just pause this video, create the PayPal account, watch my video on how to create a PayPal account, and after you are done doing that and you link it to your credit card or to your bank account, check my previous video on how to create a Scribie account. So thanks for watching this video up to this point. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with someone.